be blessed by the divine. You don't need to die to attain moksha. Let me first define moksha to you. Moksha is salvation. Moksha is self-realization. Moksha is purification, perfection. In our genetic center, we have all the imprints that our forefathers have ever experienced, and whatever we have experienced in this lifetime, and also the imprints of our futuristic will-based akamya. Kam means desire, means the mind. Mind's desire-based futuristic resultant karmic imprints are also stored in our genetic center, the so-called soul. Genetic center is the soul. Now what happens is, these karmic imprints, sometimes when it manifests as actions, results in peace or ecstasy or pleasure or pain. If it gives pain for self or others, now or in the future, physically or mentally, such an imprint is called sin imprints. The purpose of our birth is to allow the goodness inside us, inside you, inside me, inside every human being in this world, to develop, to realize itself that this goodness, this fractional consciousness is a fraction of the totality. The totality is everywhere. Consciousness is God. Goodness is God. Godliness that is inside you, which is attempting to evolve, attempting to manifest as sinless, painless, peaceful, ecstatic actions from the depth of your mind is godliness. Realizing this godliness, becoming one with that godliness, remaining one in this state of godliness, that is, remaining one with that unified force, is moksha. This will not be, cannot be achieved and felt by you after you die, because you don't have a brain and therefore you don't have a mind. You can't feel anything after the soul departs the body. This is logic. If you have to experience moksha, you should be alive. To get rid of the sin imprints, you have to learn the power of superimposition, sublimation, and neutralization. By focusing your mind on your own life force, you neutralize your sin imprints so that you do not acquire newer sin imprints in your genetic center. By using the power of auto-suggestion and superimposing good deeds, good thoughts, good words over the evil thoughts, evil words, sinful ideas and heart-giving ideas and thoughts, you will then sublimate and get rid of those pain-giving, sinful imprints in your genetic center. And this also is possible only when we go to the alpha, theta, delta level of frequency. You can begin doing this as soon as your Kundalini is awakening to the Agna Chakra. You will be able to neutralize the Akamya karma. At Sahasrara, Duriya Chakra, you can neutralize the Akamya karma and Prarabdha karma, this birth karma. By focusing your mind over the universal energy field and the almighty static state, which surrounds and compresses and unifies the entire universe, your mind will go to delta frequency. At that frequency, all your karmic imprints, the Sanchita karma, Prarabdha karma, Akamya karma, can all be neutralized. In that state, you become one with that almighty force. You identify yourself as a fraction of the totality, and this is possible by you in your lifetime if you learn and practice any form of meditation, especially the simplified Kundalini Yoga. Learn it, achieve moksha. Good luck, be blessed by the divine.